Alright, we are at Lakeside Cabins. Just to the southeast of Flatwoods. Got the entire area closed off. Got the wall coming up off of the foundation because the foundations are too easy to climb up. Purified water production. Because the stairs in this game don't come in shorter or mid varieties, we've built stairs out of short bookcases, end tables, crappier end tables, foot lockers. We've got the graded floors so that the turrets can shoot down through them. I prefer not to rely on the Poseidon power plant to actually power my stuff, because if the power plant suddenly decides to just blow and go out of order, then my power's out and half of my defense is basically kaput. Got workstations up here, bed, nice safe place to duck down and manage. Didn't want people coming up through the back door since you can't lock the back door. So I made sure it was rather unwelcoming. Turning this place into a little fortress, at least for the time being, you know. And with the artillery cannons on both ends, we can hit all kinds of stuff. You know, just start bombing the crap out of the whole area. See? Great shit. And that's how I rebuild that place.